What's the meaning of consumable? Consumable. Consumable.
Consumable. Consumable. The term consumable refers to a product or item that is intended to be used up or depleted over time, eventually requiring replacement. Examples of consumables include food, medicine, printer ink cartridges, and disposable batteries. Consumable items are generally not designed to be reused or refilled, and they may need to be purchased frequently depending on the rate at which they are consumed. The primary function of consumable products is to provide a temporary solution to a particular need or problem, rather than lasting indefinitely like a durable good.